This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create customer email notifications on Squarespace. Whether you're running an online store or service-based business, keeping your customers informed with timely and professional emails is crucial. Not only does it enhance the customer experience, but it also helps build trust and encourage repeat business. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the search icon. It's usually positioned at the top of your dashboard. Click on this icon and type in customer notifications. This is the quickest way to navigate directly to the feature we'll be working with today. When you reach the customer notifications panel, you'll notice a variety of settings available. But for today, our focus will be on the global email settings, which might also be labeled as style in some versions. Clicking here will open up a new set of options where you can configure your brand assets, ensuring that every email you send out aligns with your business's identity. First up, you'll want to input your business settings. This includes your legal business name, physical address, and contact phone number. It's essential to have these details up to date and accurately displayed in your emails. Not only does this foster transparency and professionalism, but it's also a requirement to comply with international anti-spam laws. It's always better to be safe and ensure your emails don't end up in the spam folder. Next, let's talk about the visual aspect of your emails. Upload a high-resolution version of your logo. This logo will serve as a header banner across all outgoing emails, reinforcing your brand's identity every time a customer opens one of your messages. Make sure the logo is clear and sized appropriately to avoid any distortion. After setting your logo, it's time to dive into colors. Here, you'll set your brand's exact hex codes for various elements of the email. This includes the email background, the primary body text, links, and any transaction action buttons. Consistent use of your brand colors in emails helps maintain a cohesive look that recipients will recognize instantly. If you're unsure about your brand's hex codes, you can usually find them in your brand style guide or by using a color picker tool. Finally, after you've configured all these settings to your satisfaction, don't forget the all-important last step, clicking Save. You'll find the Save button in the top left corner of the panel. This will ensure all your changes are stored and your emails will be sent out with the new settings applied. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've created a streamlined and professional customer email notification system on Squarespace. Not only will this help you stay connected with your customers, but it also ensures your communications are polished and on brand. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Squarespace tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.